Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change automatic appearance display schedule on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the Display and Brightness, then tap. Then after that, in the display and brightness, go to appearance section, then tap the options. Then after that, in the appearance schedule, if you want to change it to custom schedule, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And as you will see, it appears the schedule for the light and dark mode. And if you want to change the time for the light mode, just tap this and change the time. And also, if you want to change the time for the dark mode, just tap it also, then change the time that you want. Just like this. And if you want to switch it back to sunset to rise, just tap it until there's also a check mark on the side. Schedule times to change appearance automatically. iPhone may wait to transition until you are not using the screen. And that's it. We have successfully changed automatic appearance display schedule on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.